Friends, welcome to chemistry class. Today we are going to discussing about transition and inner transition elements. The subtopic is atomic radii and ionic radii of lanthanides. What are lanthanides? In the periodic table, 4f series elements are called lanthanides. The atomic number 57 to 71. Lanthanum to lutetium. These elements are also known as lanthanides. Atomic radii. What is meant by atomic radii? The distance between nucleus and the outermost electron in an atom is called atomic radii. Similarly, the distance between nucleus and the outermost electron in an ion is called ionic radii. Generally, atomic radii and ionic radii in the groups increases. Why? The atomic number increases means atomic size also increases. Atomic size increases means at the same time atomic radii and ionic radii also increases. But in the period atomic number increases means atomic size decreases. Atomic size decreases means at the same time atomic radii and ionic radii also decreases. This is the main reason for Lanthanide attraction. You see the students, this is nucleus. The first cell is 4f n-2 f orbital. It is also known as anti-penultimate cell. The second cell is penultimate cell, that is 5d orbital. Last cell is a valency cell, that is a 6s orbital. The general electronic configuration of F block element is n-2 F1 to 14 and n-1 D0 to 1 and ns2. Here n-2 F1 to 14 is 4th orbital, 4f orbital, here 5d orbital and 6s orbital. Here the lanthanide contraction is a main reason atomic size decreases, at the same time atomic number increases because the extra electron enter same subset. That is a main reason for lanthanide contraction. Atomic size decreases, at the same time atomic number increases, which means effective nuclear charge, that is attraction power, nuclear charge also increases. This is the main reason for lanthanide contraction. Next, causes of lanthanide contraction. Here this is 4f orbital, this one outermost electron, the attraction property should be decreases by 4f orbital, which means forward shielding of 4f orbital. Forward shielding of 4f orbital, that is main reason for lanthanide contraction. So what is meant by lanthanide contraction? As we move the period, atomic number increases means atomic size decreases. This is called a lanthanide contraction. Next topic is consequence of lanthanide contraction. So the two factors are there, the basicity difference and the similarity among the lanthanides. So basicity is a electron donating property. Here according to Bazan's rule, the polarizing power should be increases, at the same time covalent character also increases. Why? Because atomic number increases means atomic size decreases. At the same time nuclear charge increases and electron negativity also increases. Whenever electron negativity increases means ionization energy also increases. Ionization energy is nothing but it's a removal of electron from the outermost electron. Here, so atomic size decreases, nuclear charge also increases. According to Bazan's rule, polarizing power increases, at the same time covalent character also increases. This is a basicity character mainly decreases here, where from the lanthanum to lutetium. A comparison of lanthanum and lutetium, the basic character is more in lanthanum, but lutetium less basic. So basic hydroxide, you see the lanthanum hydroxide, both are trivalent compounds. Lanthanum hydroxide is more basic than lutetium hydroxide. It's the main reason. Next one, lanthanum to lutetium, atomic number only increases, but atomic size decreases. At the time density also increases. So whenever density increases means hardness of the element also increases. Okay, next, basicity character decreases means reducing property also decreases. Next one, similarity of among the lanthanides. Due to the lanthanide contraction in the D block elements, second series and third series elements are quite similar property. For example, zirconium and hafnium. The zirconium has atomic size, so 145 picometer, and hafnium 144 picometer. Due to the lanthanide contraction, that is forward shielding of 4f orbital, they are quite similar size. That is the main reason for lanthanide contraction. This is one of the evidence for the lanthanide contraction. So due to the lanthanide contraction, the second series and third series elements shows similar size due to the lanthanide contraction. The next topic is actinides. What are actinides? In the periodic table, 5f series elements are called actinides. Here, the actinium-2 following the 14 elements are called actinides. So that's why, and the 14 elements following actinium, they are called actinides. Here, the 4f series, we already know that 4f series elements are called lanthanides. 5f series elements are called actinides. So from the actinium to lawrencium, all the elements are called actinides. So all the actinides are radioactive nature, which means those elements will emit some rays at the spontaneously are called radioactive. So all the actinides are radioactive nature. You see, the thorium and uranium occur in the significant amount in the nature, but the traces amount of plutonium is also found in uranium. So which means the plutonium derived from uranium. All the actinide elements, they are placed at the bottom of the periodic table. Yes. The next topic is electronic configuration of actinides. The general electronic configuration of actinide is the radon 5f 0 to 14, 60 0 to 2, 7s2. That is a general electronic configuration of actinides. Here, from the actinium to lawrencium, here 15 elements are there in the series. The actinium, thorium, protactinium, uranium, neptunium, plutonium, americium, curium, berkelium, californium, einsteinium, and fermium, mandylium, nobelium, lawrencium. These are actinide series. The general electronic configuration 5f 0 to 14, 6d 0 to 2, 7s2. All these elements, the radon series with 5F60 configuration. Yes. Next topic is oxidation state of actinides. The actinide state of actinide is generally +3 oxidation state is a common as like lanthanides. Yes, +3 oxidation state is a common oxidation state. But the some elements exhibited like thorium, protactinium and uranium, neptunium exhibit more than one oxidation state. But +3 oxidation state is more stable due to half-filled stable electronic configuration. Next one, the neptunium exhibit +7 oxidation state, that is a higher oxidation state, but the stable electronic configuration is +5. And plutonium exhibited +3 to +7, but stable electronic configuration is +4. Americium exhibit +2 to +6, but the americium exhibit the stable electronic configuration is +2 only because it has half-filled stable electronic configuration, that is f orbital has a 7 electron, that is half-filled stable, which one +2 oxidation state is a more stable for americium. Nobelium also the 4f14. Yes, here f orbital has a 14 electron, so they are exhibited +2 oxidation state is more stable. And californium +2 and einsteinium also +2 and permium exhibited +2, nobelium also exhibited. These elements exhibited the common oxidation state is +2, that is a more stable electronic configuration. From this data we are clearing about oxidation state of lower oxidation state exhibited ionic compound or ionic character, but higher oxidation state of compounds exhibit covalent nature. Okay, it's a very important one. The lower oxidation state of elements exhibit ionic character, but higher oxidation state elements exhibited covalent character. And so next is difference between lanthanides and actinides. So what are the difference between lanthanides and actinides? The differentiating electron enter 4f orbital in lanthanides. Differentiating electron will enter 4f orbital. Here, which means actinides, differentiating electron will enter 5f orbital. So first difference in lanthanides and actinides, the differentiating electron will enter 4f orbital in lanthanides, 5f orbital in actinides. Next one, binding energy. The binding energy is nothing but the minimum energy required for the disassembles of the system is called a binding energy. So binding energy of 4f orbital is very high, but in actinides binding energy is very low. Binding energy of the 4f orbital very high, but the binding energy of 5f orbital is very low. Next one, the less tendency to form complex. The formation of complex by 4f orbital is a very less tendency because the 4f orbital close to nucleus, it does not involve in the bonding. So the less tendency to form complex. So less availability in the formation of complex in the lanthanides, but actinides is a greater tendency to form complex because the 5f orbital as the outermost cell, it is easily involved in the bonding. So it is easy to form complex. So greater tendency to form complex in actinides but a less tendency to the form complex in lanthanides. Most of the lanthanides is colorless. Colorless means they are paired electrons in the outermost shell. They are colorless, but actinides all are exhibited colors. Colors means unpaired electrons. Possible means they are exhibited colors. For example, uranium 3 plus exhibit red color, uranium 4 plus exhibit a green color, uranyl dioxide ion exhibited yellow color. It is a very important one. Uranium 3 plus red color, uranium 4 plus green color, uranyl dichloride is exhibited yellow color. Here, the lanthanides do not form oxocation. The oxocation is nothing but oxocation is polyatomic ion with positive charge is called oxocation. Yes, the lanthanides do not form oxocations, but actinides form many oxocations. For example, uranyl dioxide, neptunium dioxide, they are example for very important oxocations. The last one is a oxidation state. Both lanthanides and actinides, the common oxidation state is a +3. That is a very stable configuration. But other higher oxidation state or other oxidation state in lanthanides +2 and +4. Here, actinide also exhibited higher oxidation state, but +3 is a common one, but higher oxidation state +4, +5, +6 and +7 oxidation state. These are very important one. Okay students, we will meet next class with another topic. Thank you for watching that video.